The work we've done on trying to get the Ombudsman put through to actually regulate supermarkets, the Grocery Suppliers Code of Practice, has been a 10-year campaign for us to try and actually get the Competition Commission to say that there's abusive power in the marketplace, that is impacting on suppliers and will ultimately impact on consumers. Massive win. You think of the employment that the big retailers have, think of the tax they pay. Actually, we got all-party support to have a Grocery Supplier Code of Practice, and we now have full government support, coalition agreement to have an adjudicator. Is it going to stop things in overnight? No, it's not. Is it going to cure all the problems and abuses? No, it's not. But hopefully it will hold people up, it will put a check and balance in to stopping people having the free-for-all they do now. We had a horticultural board report today. There are a number of retailers who are saying we want from Monday you're going to get 20% less. And we don't want, that's your contribution to the battle we're having, amongst each other, the price war we're having at the moment. Because these guys do panic when they get bad press, and that's all we can do at this moment in time. Do I think we're going to stop it? No. Why? Because, where do we shop? The vast majority of people will fill the cars up, they go to Tesco's because the Stella Artois is cheaper, or whatever you're going to drink over the weekends, and that's where people shop. And even if we don't shop there, the bulk of people do shop there because they do bloody good deals. You can park your car, the service is good, and they're doing well on the back of it. I just want to make sure that Tesco's in particular share their £3.4 billion worth of profits with their consumer, their customers, and they don't use farmers' money.